In this video, we'll bleed the clutch system. The brake fluid reservoir is divided into sections. The first section that fills up is for the brake system, but eventually the fluid spills over into the clutch section at the front of the reservoir. Keep an eye on the fluid level as you bleed the clutch. An easy way to check is to shine a light through the reservoir to see the level. Use a 9mm wrench to open the bleeder on the transmission. Then push a short length of 1/4-inch clear tubing onto the bleeder. Have someone start pumping the clutch pedal. If you have a turbocharged car, the clutch pedal won't return on its own. You'll have to manually return the pedal until the system is bled. This is easier to do by hand than by hooking your foot under the pedal. Pump the pedal until fluid flows through the clear tubing. At this point, we'll swap to a push and hold bleeding technique. First, close the bleeder. Then push and hold the pedal. While the pedal is being held, open and close the bleeder while watching the fluid. Repeat until the fluid is bubble-free. After you've cleared out all of the bubbles, tighten the bleeder and remove the tubing. Then hold down the clutch pedal and check for leaks.